Alright. Hadn't had a day off in over a year. My Jamaican vacation's gonna start right here. The phone's for me, you can tell them I just sailed away. And pour something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Well, I can pay off my tab, pour myself in a cab, and be back to work before 2. In a moment like this, you can't help but wonder, what would Jimmy Buffett do? Something like this, I think. Oh, something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. Oh, it's something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna take a little pause for the cause, grab myself some drink. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Hope you're having a nice time on this lovely July afternoon. Breeze is picking up. It's gonna be a nice rest of the show, I think. We'll see you guys in a few.